Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Chanel, here on Pray.Plan.Repeat. I'm actually gonna do a IKEA haul for you guys. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you what I picked up at IKEA. So let me just go ahead and tell you guys may hear my washer and dryer in the background, okay? I'm pretty sure you do. So this is the IKEA haul. I didn't like film shopping through IKEA. It was like a family trip type thing, and we just picked up the boys from school and we went straight to IKEA. So let me show you guys what I picked up. All right, so we went ahead and picked up some pillows here to replace the boys' pillows on their bed, so once they sleep on. So I got 3 of these pillows here. I got 3 of them. And these are I'm gonna show you guys the name, the brand, because I don't know how to say these. Okay, so this is the name of the pillow right here. We got each of the boys 1 of these. And then for my master bedroom, like decorative pillows, I picked up 2 of these because I'm gonna make my own slip covers for my pillows. I just wanted to, like, you know, brighten up or decorate my master bedroom bed. And picked up these pillows. Like I said, I'm gonna make my own pillowcases or slip covers for my pillowcases. So I picked up these. I picked up 2 of these, and these are this brand right here. That's the name of it. And like I said, everything's from IKEA. And these are more pillows. I also picked up these. These are like the inner casing of a pillow if you don't want to make a slip cover for it. I picked up 2 of these. Right there. And I think those were like $3, all of them. Except for like the actual pillows for my kids. I think all those were $3, and I think the ones for the kids were like under $5. So if you're not new and you've been with me for a while, you guys know that I used to have my own filming room or beauty room where I would film and edit videos, and I started my business in that room, where I actually let that room go, and it's actually the boys' playroom. So I want to reorganize that room. And we're also going to be sticking a bed in that room just in case if we have guests. But the bed is also going to serve like as it's like a day bed, or basically like a couch somewhat for the boys. So I do want to buy like a really big, probably like 2 of them, a really big body pillow, and wrap them and make them like the back of like a couch kind of thing with this bed. So that's what we're going to do. In that back room, it's basically going to be like a guest room, the boys' play, lounging area type of room. It's like a den. I picked up this here. This is the bar. This is like a wall, you put it on the wall. It's a wall mount, and it comes with 2 of these little cups to slide on the bar for organization. So this is what the name of it is. And then I picked up 2 more of the little cups. 2 more of them, and they have the little slot things you just put on the bar. I picked up 2 more of those. I wasn't sure how many to get, so hubby was like, just get 1 for right now, because IKEA is only like 30 minutes away, so we can always go back. I was like, okay. I picked up this candle. This candle smells like really, really good. It is, I think it's supposed to be lime and strawberries. I don't know, but it smells so good. Yeah. Picked up a candle. Business-wise, for my online shop, which should be reopening, but to me, I'm calling this my launched year. I'm actually launching or relaunching. Last year was just a pre-test. I wanted to get I just taken off the wrapper. I probably shouldn't have. There might be a name on here. No. Okay. I wanted to get some different bowls that wouldn't like mess up and stuff that would be a lot easier to clean. So I picked up some stainless steel bowls at IKEA. This one here, the bigger one, is I don't know what brand it is, y'all, but that's some information there if you're looking for it. And if you're curious, I'm in the Dallas-Fort Worth area of Texas. And then I picked up a smaller one here. Stainless steel will be a lot easier for me to clean. Okay. I heard one of the YouTubers that lives somewhere out here in Texas that every time she goes to IKEA, she stocks up on sponges. I don't know if it was these, but these were the only sponges I saw there. So I wanted to test them out. This is a 3-pack. I think it was for like $1.98. So I only picked up one, but that's what they look like. Yep, picked up some sponges. I picked up, this is actually a kitchen scale, you guys. I picked up a kitchen scale. That is what it is right there. But it's a round kitchen scale, and then it has, on this side, it has like the little thing where you can put in grams or whatever you can see. It's a digital kitchen scale, okay. In the as-is section, I actually found another candle, you guys. This one is this one, and this is what it looks like, and it smells so good. That is the scent, and then the picture on top of this one is like that. I picked up 2 more scrubbers for my dishes, you guys. And then me and hubby needed another wok. So I'm testing out this one here from IKEA. That is the brand, the name right there. And it's a bigger wok than what we have now. It's much wider. So yeah, that's all the information right there. You guys are curious. I picked up this bowl. I guess it's like a colander. Yeah, I picked up this colander right here from IKEA. I said Kia. Oh, where's the little thingy? Here we go. There is the information there if you guys are curious. 2 more items. I picked up this rug. So we saw this rug like displayed in one of the living room areas, and I was like, oh, that's a nice rug. Like it'd probably be pretty easy to, you know, clean. And this is this rug right here. I'm showing you the name of it. Now, this is what the rug looks like, okay? And for those of you that don't know, I only have carpet in the bedrooms of my home, okay? So I got this rug, and I was like, it will complement this couch, okay? So my gray couch right here, okay, my gray couch. Because as you can see, there's nothing on my walls. I still have my canvases from Five Below that we have not put together that I hauled like a month ago or 2 months ago, y'all. Still got to do those. So I got this rug. It was super nice, and it's washable, okay? I can put this in the washing machine. That's the other reason why I picked it up, right? $17. So there we go. Got me a washable rug, because I had one on Amazon. It was like $75 in my cart. I just never picked up, and it's been in my cart for like 4 months. So I'm happy that I didn't purchase it, and I picked up this one. And it's heavy duty too, so I like that. Okay, and then my favorite part about IKEA is walking through their as-is section, because you never know what you're going to find there, okay? So I end up finding, let me find a picture, this stool, because like I said, we have been rearranging my bedroom, so I needed something to put at my vanity that wasn't taking up space. So I got this little stool here in the as-is section, still in the box, because they had one sitting out, and I was like, oh, that's nice. Next to it, they had 3 of these boxes, and I guess this stool was priced at $30, and I got it for $16. yeah, so it's still in box, has not been opened. I'm super excited about that. Now, everything from IKEA costs us under $140. Excited, because you know, if you ever shop at IKEA, you can spend a good amount of money at IKEA. At least I can. Okay, I can. So that's all I want to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you're new here, hey, I'm Chanel. Please go ahead and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for being a part of the fan band here. I know last week I did not upload at all. Y'all, I had too much to do, and my videos on the other channel were already pre-filmed and pre-loaded to post, so yeah. All right, but anyways, thank you so much for watching. Always remember to embrace your beauty. Go ahead and check out my website on this date. Leave it right here on the screen. Links to my website will be down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If I did not post the date on the screen, which, you know, may or may not have happened, my relaunch date for my online store, where you can find this headband and some other hair care products, will be January 24th. Yes, it's in a few days. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to embrace your beauty. Wrong channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye.